Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Google account is active and signed into the device. This connects identity to payments. Open the Google Play app and let it update if prompted so payment options work correctly. Next, make sure you have a secure screen lock set. Google Pay and Play require device protection to add payment methods. Once done, tap the profile icon at the top right to access settings and payment methods. This begins the linking flow immediately. Now you add the actual payment instrument. From Payments and Subscriptions, choose Payment Methods and then Add Payment Method. Pick Google Pay or add a card directly. If you choose Google Pay, confirm the billing address and select the account you want linked. This syncs stored cards and balances. Enter card details carefully if adding a new card, then accept any verification prompts from your bank. Make sure to allow required permissions so Play can use Google Pay for purchase. Finish by verifying the payment method, follow OTP, in-app verification, or confirm a temporary small charge. Verification confirms ownership and activates the method. Then set Google Pay as the default in payment methods so purchases go through automatically. If a purchase fails, clear the Play app cache, restart the device, and reopen payment methods to relink. You can also remove and re-add the card or contact your bank. That single troubleshooting step resolves most linking issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.